Hey guys, it's Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a wheel matchup with a set of 20x10 American Truxx 161 web wheels in a black and milled window finish with some 35 1250 R20 Radar Renegade mud terrain tires. Now these Radar Renegade mud terrain tires, they are a 10-ply tire. They are a mud terrain tire and their price point is right in the middle of your mud terrain tire options. They're not the cheapest tire, they're not the most expensive tire. That goes the same with their ride quality. They're not the most quiet and they're not the smoothest riding tires. However, when it's half the price of a Toyo, you can't expect it to perform like a Toyo or a Nitto. They are produced by Omnisource, which is a tire company that makes Patriot and Radar tires, and for the price point they're a great tire. These American Truxx wheels, they're American Truxx 161 web wheels. They are black with a milled window finish. They are also offered in a black and machined face finish, which would make these spokes be a machined finish, and it's a little bit bolder of a statement to run those wheels. They're offered in a 20x10 and a 20x12. And besides that, American Truxx priced their wheels at a great price point. Again, very similar to the Radar tire. They're not the cheapest, but they're not the most expensive tire. And it's a unique wheel. It's a unique looking wheel. Not very many people have it. It goes great with some edgy bumpers on a Jeep Wrangler or just a truck with a nice little prefab bumper on it. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment or shoot us an email or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want to order these tires and wheels, or maybe a lift or some fender flares or rails or anything for your vehicle, go to our website central-alps.com and let us get your parts shipped out today. And again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.